Decision proposals are a primary vehicle for consultation with CDR participants in the development of standards. The DSB invites discussion and feedback on specified topics and proposals. This is a summary of Decision Proposal 317. In DP 317 and this summary, several terms are used specific to this context. CDR, Consumer Data Right; CDS, Consumer Data Standards; DSB, Data Standards Body; DP, Decision Proposal; NP, Noting Paper; NBL, Non-Bank Lending; BNPL, Buy Now, Pay Later. DP 317 seeks feedback on proposed changes to the standards to support BNPL, Buy Now, Pay Later. This decision proposal will not result in the Data Standards Chair making new standards. Feedback from this proposal will be considered, along with feedback from NP 292 and DP 316. A subsequent proposal will incorporate this feedback and will lead to new standards. NBL rules are yet to be made by the Minister. Until rules are made, this proposal is tentative. Some aspects of BNPL plans may require additional enumerated values or new structures added to the consumer data standards. DP 317 proposes adding a new enumerated value, Buy Now, Pay Later, for the Get Accounts API, Product Category Query Parameter. This supports querying for BNPL accounts. This applies to all banking endpoints that define the product category parameter. A corresponding enumerated value, Buy Now, Pay Later, is proposed for the product category property of the banking account schema. DP 317 proposes adding a top-level installments object to the banking account details schema. The installments object can be associated with any account type. The installments object includes the properties maximum plan count, installments limit, minimum plan value, maximum plan value. The installments object also includes a plans array containing one or more plan objects. The plan object specifies properties such as the amount, duration, and installment interval of a BNPL agreement. As an alternative to supplying BNPL installments through the Get Account Detail endpoint, DP 317 suggests a possible new endpoint, Get Installments for Account. For the features property of the Banking Account Details schema, the existing installment plan feature type may be appropriate for BNPL. More detail is provided in DP 317. For account balances, DP 317 proposes adding the product category query enum Buy Now, Pay Later. For product category Buy Now, Pay Later, the existing balance fields may be interpreted to accommodate BNPL plans. For the credit card and loan U-type objects, some properties may be interpreted as a summary of all installments and other payments, including BNPL plans. In the banking product fee structure, DP 317 proposes using the existing fee type periodic enum and additional enums payment late and upfront per plan. For Get Products, DP 317 proposes adding the product category query enum Buy Now, Pay Later. The banking product details schema accordingly requires a Buy Now, Pay Later product category enum. DP 317 also proposes adding an installments object to the banking product detail schema corresponding to the banking account schema installments object. DP 317 seeks feedback on other changes that might be required to banking product detail properties, including features, constraints, eligibility, fees, lending rates. DP 317 requests feedback on all the changes proposed. It also requests feedback on additional changes required to accommodate BNPL and on any additional issues related to BNPL. If you have an interest in these questions and topics, read DP 317 for additional detail. To provide your input in response to these questions, add your comments to DP 317. Thank you for participating in developing the Consumer Data Standards.